Hello everyone, in this video we will be discussing about the scuff resistance tester. This is an equipment to check the print quality of your samples. The sample could be a printed paper, films, mono cartons or any corrugated samples. So any industry, whether it is a packaging industry or a pharma industry where the labels have printing, so that can be tested in this equipment. So as I told you, the purpose is to check printing off. This will help you in checking that if it is going in your transit condition or if it comes in the rubbing situation, your sample printing is getting off or not. So that we will be able to check here. So we need to make the specimen first. So for accurate specimen preparation, we have this template of 120 mm diameter. The machine complies to a PIRA standard, or we also say it as PATRA, PATRA, that standard. In that, this motion scuff tester is mentioned. One, we have this. The second, we have to make a 48 mm specimen, and then we will make a cut. So we have prepared the specimen with these templates. Now we will fix the small diameter sample. So I have already pasted a double-sided tape on this. I have to paste it like this. So we have to make sure that it is flat, it is not wavy or something. Okay, so that the proper rub effect we can have and the result. Now we will go to the machine and we'll do the sample placement. Now the bigger sample of 120 mm diameter I have to fix here. So how I will be fixing it? So we'll remove the previous sample. This is my present sample. This way I will place it. And this is exactly 120. So that's why template is good to use here. We can see it is properly fixed. Now we will take the upper gripper. So this way we need to fix it. We have fixed it. So this is how sample placement has to be done. Now we will set the counts and we will see the rubbing at a fixed speed and a constant pressure. So this is the 2 psi pressure. So it will be applied on the sample while it is in running condition. So this is the screen for the control panel, we can say. This is LCD indicator. Here we need to set the number of counts for how long it should rub. Okay, for how much number of counts. So that number of count we need to set here. So by pressing this reset, I can switch the mode. For example, I will be doing it for 50 counts. So it can be any. You can set 900, 1000, 2000, 9999 counts, any. What you feel at which the testing should be done and the printing may off. So right now I'm setting 50 count just to show that how the testing has to be done. Now I will open the latch key and I will start the test. So the testing is started. Now you can see the indicator is showing that how much number of count it has to reach and how much it has completed. Automatically machine will stop when it will reach its desired number of counts, and then we need to see visually at what is the impact. And right now it is moving at 60 revolution per minute. 60 rpm is the speed, and 2 psi is applied on this. So this is how in this rotary motion the testing works. Apart from this, there is one more type of scuff resistance tester, or we can say an abrasion tester, which is a Sutherland type of tester, which moves in reciprocatory motion. So right now, as per PIRA standard, this is what is required. It has reached its number of counts. Now we will see the result. If I want to see the result, now let me show you. So it was a very clean, proper paper. Now you can see at 50 counts only, the printing has started coming out. So from here, or you can see the blackish portion, so it was coming out. So the failure or pass, right now this sample has failed at the 50 counts. So this is how we need to judge the result. For more such testing videos, you can contact Presto. Thank you so much.